Hi friends, in this video we are going to know all about this PS4 wireless platinum wireless headset features and functions. So why all these buttons are there and what are the functions and features of this. We'll go one by one. This is 3.5mm jack. We can attach to computer or any mobile devices or even PS4, Xbox and console. Directly you can plug into joystick as well. This is USB power charge plug point. So to charge it, right, we need some power, right? So to charge it we can use this USB port. And this is volume level buttons, low volume, volume up. So these buttons are volume up and down. So to increase or decrease the volume we are going to use this. What is this mute button? Mute button, we can just put on mute and we can make it unmute by pressing the same button. Also this headset have another feature. So if you are pressing right when you turned on, just give long press. If you heard single beep, right, the side tone volume will be turned on. Side tone volume is nothing but hearing your own voice level. If you're pressing again right the same button for more than 2 seconds, hold it, then you will hear 2 beep sound. 2 beep sound is nothing but maximize the volume. Again, if you're pressing the same button, if you're holding for more than 2 or 3 seconds, you will hear single low beep sound. So which is the side tone volume will be turned off. Lot of people doesn't know what is the functions about this mute. This is not only mute, also it's a side tone volume. Side tone volume single beep, single short beep, and single double beep, and another low beep. So 3 side tone volume turn on, turn off, and increase the volume, maximize the volume. So this is the functions of mute button, and you can see this off, turn off, power 1 and power 2. Power 1 is standard mode. If you turn on right on power mode, this is standard mode, standard stereo output mode. So if you're changing to power 2, it's completely bass effect. It's bass effect with loud bass effect you can hear if you are choosing to with music. So this is the functions of power buttons, and this is right, it's a light button, flashing light. So this is pairing. If you want to pair, it will be flashing continuously, and if it turns red you need to charge it or you need to update the firmware. If turns to purple, right, it'll be in mute. So I just want to put on mute. So I have attached it. If I'm going to turn it, single C. If it turns purple, right, it is in mute. To unmute it, unmute. Now it will turn to blue. So this is the functions of this flashing lights. Also, what is this chat and sound? If you're enabling voice chat, right, this chat, right, whenever you're talking, that sound will be loud. If you are pressing this sound button, right, it will increase the video game sound on PS4 or Xbox or PC games. So that's why they have given. Suddenly, right, when you're playing, when you're doing gameplay and you're chatting, right, video game sound will be more dominated. So sometimes, right, you cannot listen your own voice. So in order to decrease the video game sound, right, you need to press this. Then you can hear your voice well if you're pressing this chat button. So this is the function of chat and sound. So I have covered all buttons on left side, and one more thing, you can see on the right side VSS and 3D audio. If it is turns off, right, by default stereo output will be enabled. If you turn it on, VSS and 3D audio will be enabled. VSS is nothing but virtual surround sound, and 3D audio, latest games have this 3D audio with good effects. For example, Uncharted, A Thief's End have 3D audio. 3D audio is nothing but next step of virtual surround sound. Video game is supporting 3D audio, automatically you can hear the 3D audio sounds. VSS is virtual surround sound, you can hear 5.1, 3.1, 7.1 kind of music you can listen on VSS with good effect. So you can install PS4 companion headset companion app on your PS4 console. You can customize more settings on your video games. Another thing is, this is the USB adapter, right? Wireless adapter we are going to connect to PS4. So you can see this reset button here. Sometimes if it is not pairing right, you need to you have to have the pin, the phone pin, that just insert into that, hold it for more than 2 seconds. It will be reset and you will be able to pair this. When you pair it right, when you want to reset this headset, you have to hold the mute button for some seconds and you have to slide this turn on button. Then automatically your PS4 headset will be reset. So these are the features, right? Good features we have PS4 wireless headset. If dust or something right happens, you can open this. So that also I just want to share it. So you can put it on back. So I placed it perfectly. This is the features of PS4 Platinum wireless headset. Use all the functions. You will get good music, good video game sounds and effects. That's it. Hope this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks and media forms. Thank you. Bye.